Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can sync your avatar to dance to trending music on Roblox. So I'm just going to go to this game. It's called Sodah. It's called like Kalani Soda, like S-O, like this one. You can use your current avatar or you can like use other items here. So to use other items, you can just go up here and create another avatar if you would like to. I just have my background blurred, but if you don't want to, you can adjust it here. Let me find like a cute, just select try on, and it's going to be applied to your avatar here. I'll just type in summer and see like what pops up. Let me see about this one. Okay, let's do this. And then go to this emote here to see the dances. So these are the trending ones right now. It's like purple, but you can search up the songs that you like. I'm just going to type in pop music, select it, and it's going to dance. You can even hide the UIs if you want to record, but that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.